Will Ledger and Trezor remain the sole leaders among the hardware wallet manufacturers in the coming years? Hardware wallets are extremely popular among crypto users who seek maximum security. And today, I want to share with you a brand new one called Hito Wallet. And yeah, it is fantastic. So Hito kindly sent us one to test it out, and I'm excited to give you an overview of its features, usability, security, and well, of course, the cost. So can Hito Wallet become my top one choice? Well, let's see. Okay, the Hito Wallet is a hardware wallet designed to be beginner-friendly, making it accessible to those who are new to the crypto world. It uses wireless NFC technology and has firmware that anyone can view and modify. However, it's important to note that the Hito Wallet is still in its early stages of development. So the current version is in beta, but if you pre-order one, you can start using it right away. The Hito team is continuously working on improving the wallet through firmware upgrades, so it will only become better with time. Hito supports more than 600 types of assets, including Bitcoin, ETH, and ERC20 tokens. It's compatible with all hot wallets and has a pretty intuitive app. And by the way, I like their website design because it looks stylish and friendly, which is a good point to start your call. So this little powerhouse rocks a compact 2-inch touchscreen that's bursting with vibrant colors. And guess what? Soon you'll be able to show off your NFT collection right here on the screen. When it comes to durability, the Hito Wallet means business. It sports tough tempered glass panels on both the front and back, while the body is crafted from sturdy material. But here's the kicker. Despite its small size, this touchscreen beauty still offers plenty of space for smooth navigation. It's so slim and lightweight that it's like carrying around a mere 3 or 4 stacked credit cards. Now let's talk about the button on the side. It powers the wallet on and off, and it is also your go-to for locking and unlocking the device. Oh, and here is a fascinating thing. Hito doesn't bother with any charging ports. Nope. Instead, it boasts a built-in battery that you can charge wirelessly. But hey, here is the catch. The current batch of devices doesn't come with a wireless charger. You can either use your existing wireless charging pad or grab one separately. Alright, it's time to unleash the magic of your new device. First things first, give it a power boost by using a wireless charger. Next, press the button on the side to turn it on. Your device comes clean. Just punch in a new 6-digit PIN 2 times and voila! Your device is unlocked and ready for action. Next, you need to generate either a new seed phrase or import the existing one. There are 3 options here: 12, 18, and 24 seed phrases. So, talking about security here. And by the way, if crypto security is a topic you follow, just check out our recent guide on how to not get scammed. Because yeah, believe me, once the bull run starts, scammers will get out of their cozy caves for hunting. So you better be prepared. Now it's time to connect your device to the mobile app and start making transactions. But wait, let's add an extra layer of security by changing your passcode. Well, you don't want to stick with that default PIN, right? You can make it via the app menu. Tap Change Passcode, enter your current code twice, and then set your new code for added peace of mind. By the way, the device menu has some other cool options for you to explore. You can display your wallet address, check out your secret seed phrase, or even perform a factory reset, of course, if needed. If you are an iPhone user, you can snag the beta app from the App Store using Test Flag. For all you Android folks, just don't worry, there is a browser app that's got your back. When using the Hito app through your phone's browser, pairing the device is a piece of cake. Just tap Scan Your Address and scan the wallet address displayed on your device. And yeah, once they are connected, you can check out your token balance. If you want to switch between mainnets and Ethereum testnets, a simple tap on the green Ethereum main network button will do the trick. Now, let's talk about receiving and sending tokens. To receive tokens, tap Receive in either the mobile app or on your wallet device. You'll see a QR code and your wallet address. Share those with the person sending your tokens. Sending tokens requires a few more steps. Just tap Send, choose the asset, and enter the recipient's address, or you can scan a QR code if you've got one. Also, specify the amount, hit Send, and that's all. For iPhone users, when start the sending process, it will ask to open the beta app installed via test flag. Once the app is open, it's ready to scan a wallet device. On the Hito Wallet, tap Send. Hold your wallet close to your phone for an NFC scan. The Hito Wallet will display the transaction details and ask you to sign it. Hit Sign, and you'll see a QR code on the wallet screen. Now head back to the Hito browser app on your phone, tap Confirm, and scan the QR code on your wallet. Boom! Your transaction will appear in the log and start processing. Well, yeah, a bit more complicated than you can expect, but yeah, it works. Moreover, the Hito Wallet automatically generates a seed phrase and links it internally to the wallet address. It happens behind the scenes, so you might not notice it intentionally and assume it comes with the pre-loaded seed phrase. However, you can generate a new seed phrase in wallets by performing a factory reset on the device. You can also import your own seed phrase, which allows you to use your existing address. Now, let's talk about the price of the Hito Wallet. You can currently pre-order it on the official Hito website for $99. Remember, that's the pre-order price, because after the pre-sale period ends, the wallet's actual value will be $150. And yeah, they have around 1,500 devices available for the second batch of sales. So how do you think? $99 is a fair price for such a device? Now, I'd like to share some of my extra thoughts on the Hito Wallet. Well, first of all, it's one of the smallest touchscreen wallets out there. It is incredibly lightweight and fits easily in your wallet or pocket without adding bulk. Unlike other wallets, for example, it keeps things simple with just a single button and a touchscreen for verifying transactions. So no need for those USB cables here. All transactions are done through NFC connectivity, keeping everything offline and ensuring your safety. The exciting part is that the team beta testing this wallet and continuously improving it through firmware upgrades. So future versions of Hito Wallet will come with even more improvements and possibly additional features, including NFTs, yes. Now, some people find that really exciting. But hey, others might prefer a wallet that has been thoroughly tested and proven over the years. Of course, it's quite reasonable to have concerns about security and safety when using a brand new hardware wallet in its early stages of development and beta testing. But ultimately, it's your choice and what makes you feel comfortable. So it is one of the few wallets I've come across that doesn't come with a charger or an option for an external battery. And yeah, it will be, well, great to have it in a pack. Fortunately, most of us already have a wireless charging pad at home. However, it means an additional expense. But the good news is that the team plans to include wireless chargers for future device batches. Well, I think that's a good idea, Hito. Well, now you know that I like Hito Wallet and I think it will be great for my daily needs. It might be, well, a bit inconvenient during the beta, but the potential is obviously there. After all, it's quite hard to find a better $99 hardware wallet. And yeah, I think it will fit both crypto beginners and experienced users tired from different devices. And yeah, once the Hito team release the final version of the product, it can potentially compete with Ledger and Trezor alongside such promising wallets as Tangem or Keystone. Well, we'll keep an eye on their future, of course.